Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming hardware and basic software flags so you don't chase ghosts. First, plug the original Samsung charger and a known good cable into a working outlet. Fast charging depends on PD/WBAM standards and correct wattage. Next, inspect and clean the USB-C port. Debris blocks pins and prevents handshake. Once done, open battery settings and enable fast cable charging. This lets the phone accept higher current. Doing these first isolates obvious causes and saves time. Now you dig deeper into software and testing. Reboot, then test charging in safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks negotiation. If fast charging works there, an app is the culprit. Make sure your phone system and charging firmware are updated because fixes arrive through updates. Run Samsung members' diagnostics to check battery health and voltage behavior. Finally, swap chargers and outlets. A faulty adapter or power strip can mimic a phone problem, so eliminate external variables methodically. You finish by choosing repair or reset based on evidence. If diagnostics show software corruption and nothing else worked, back up and perform a factory reset. This clears deep configuration issues. If tests show unstable voltage, visible port damage, or battery wear, arrange Samsung service or a reputable repair shop to replace the port or battery. Fast charging depends on both hardware and secure negotiation. If things go wrong, use safe mode and Samsung diagnostics to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.